Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you two updated Samsung features that will helpful to quickly search on your Samsung device, any Samsung device. So make sure first of all your Samsung device running the latest One UI 7 version and update with the latest version on your all application on your device. In the first, I will show you open the gallery application on your device. Make sure your gallery application updated with the latest version to use this feature or use this AI feature. So tap on the search bar on your device. Now at the bottom you can see the what are you looking for. So you can quickly search your photo from your phone gallery. Like just enter the people name, enter the location name, enter the color name you want to search on your device. Here you can see the AI edited means you can quickly find the portrait photo, your video, anything else. Let's see with the example. Tap on the what are you looking for and enter the search you want. Like here we select for the sky. Tap on the search bar and you can find the sky photo on your device. Let's see with another example. Like here we select the dog upon search bar and you can see quickly find the dog related photo you search on a phone. So very helpful feature. You can quickly search your favorite topic. Like if you want to take a screenshot, find the screenshot on your device, tap on screenshot, tap on a search bar and you can find all the screenshot taken on your device. So very helpful feature. You can quickly find anything from your phone gallery, any photo, any people name. Like here we search for Parva and you can find all the details on my phone. So very helpful feature. To use this feature, make sure your gallery app is updated with the latest version. To use this new AI feature to quickly find anything from your phone gallery. The second one is the you can easily search like when you swipe up on your device you can see the search bar at the bottom. So tap on it. When you tap on it, here you can see the suggested apps, setting topics you search or buttons, recent search. You can customize this if you use this feature on your device. So tap on the three dots on your phone, tap on the settings and here you can see the list of all available settings you apply. Like by default you can see the show suggested app, show search suggestion, show setting topics, so app option in search, so download and screenshot, so search history, so text in a document, so web search suggestion. You can also enable show hidden application if you want to show hidden application in the list. Also you can see the customization service. Here you can customize the option you want on your Samsung device. For app and setting preferences, this is get better search result by using data with about what you and other people search for them. So here no app or setting preference detect yet, so you can't see. So you can customize it by suggested app search suggestion. Here you can see when you swipe, when you open app door from the home screen and tap on a search button, you can see the suggested app list, setting topics you search. Also see the screenshot option like here, download option from the gallery. So you can quickly customize it. Also choose app to search in from the available list if you want to search. If you don't want to search from this, just toggle up it to hide from the app search on your device. So customize the settings for the search from the available list on your latest Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.